Welcome to the complete JavaScript tutorial. In this video, we will talk about another way of making condition in JavaScript. And this is the same way in C# or C++ or Java. Okay, this is the same case. Okay, PHP, the same case. So if you understand this, you will understand this in very much every language. Okay, so we know how we can do condition using if statements. So if I have a condition, I will do if and else if and else if until the last condition I will do else. Or if I have just one condition, I will type if and else. Okay. Now this way of programming, if we have multiple choices, is preferred to use switch case. Okay. Switch case is just the same thing like if else, but rather than making if and else if, we use case. Okay, so for example, I create a variable called name equal to Joey, and here I make this switch. Don't worry about the syntax. Switch name mean that I will check what is the value of the name. Okay. So in the first case, I will see if the name equal to Joey, mean this is in the switch case, we just test the equal sign. Remember this. So case Joey mean if the name equal to Joey. This is the same thing like if the name equal to Joey. And if I type here console log hi Joey, so this is like if name equal to Joey, and I type this word break mean go out from this, don't continue. Okay, because if I check this condition, I don't have if name equal Joey, I don't have to continue here because this is the code of the other condition. Okay, so if I go here, mean in this case we have John, mean if the name equal to John, mean else if the name equal to John, I would type console log hi John, for example. Case Lizzie, if the name equal to Lizzie, the same thing. Else if the name equal to Lizzie, console log hi Lizzie, and we type break. This break mean if this condition realized, I type break mean go out from this code, don't continue. Okay, and we will see this word after we will jump into the loops in JavaScript. And this default is just like else, mean if this three condition doesn't realized, I want you to make this code, mean console log I don't know you. Let's jump into the code and we will make this example. Okay, so I will delete this code from the last video. I will create var name equal to Joey. Great. Now I will make my switch case. So switch, and here I will type name. So we will test the values of name. We will see what's this name equal. So switch name. And here I will type case Joey. If the name equal to Joey, I will type here console log hi Joey. And here I will type break. Don't forget it, okay? Break. I will go to the next line. If the name doesn't equal to Joey, I will type another case. If the name equal to John, for example, I will type console log hi John. I will put another break. I can make the number of cases that I want. Break. Great. Here I will type another case, Joey John Lizzie, for example, and here I will type console log hi Lizzie. Great, and I will make a break to go out from this switch. And the default is if the name doesn't equal to these three values. Mean what I want to do, I want to type console log, for example, I don't know you. very simple, very easy. Okay, I will save and I will go back to my editor here, not here. I will go back to my editor and I will save, and I have hide Joey. Okay, if I go back and I change the value of Joey and make it, for example, lazy. Okay, so now he should go here. He will not find that the name equal to Joey. He will go continue. He will not find that the name equal to lazy. He will continue. Here he will find that the name equal to lazy, and he will execute this code. Mean he will console log hi lazy, and he will go out from this code. He will not continue to execute what's here. Okay, so let's go back to our browser. I will refresh. And I didn't save, I think. I forget to save. Yes, we have this bubble, this white bubble. Always remember to save your file. Control S or Command S in Mac. Okay, go back here and we have hide easy. Okay, a very simple, very simple concept, switch case. Okay. Thank you. If you have any problem, any question, just ask me in the comments. I will be more than happy to help you. Thank you. See you in the coming video.